Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners along with Bob Igino. Quick Virgin Galactic update. So we've projected the next level of 1801, coming down, pausing here, dipping below it, but then closing above it, rotating back up, slightly closing in the rotation zone. So we do have a divergence here on the 4 hour. Remember, you can get multiple divergences. Key support, I'm now going to be watching this low right here. Because of where the 200 simple moving average is, so about 1780. I'm also going to bump these levels down so we get the bigger picture. Should we continue lower, if we get below 1780, minor support 1755, but we still have this gap here, which would be to the close of 1680. Okay, so 1661 to 1680 is major next level of support. Then below that is 1588. Now, on any rally, I'm going to be paying attention to the top of the 4 hour rotation zone coming in contact with this little resistance ledge at about 1965, somewhere in there. If we get above there, major resistance about 2035. We have a significant level there. We have the declining 50 on the 4 hour, and on the daily, we have the top of the rotation zone. So if you see here on the daily, we rallied up, hit the rotation zone and the 50, and sold off. So there's lots of resistance right around this 1950 based off the daily chart. So that's, let's see where that's 1950 is. So I'm actually going to bump this down. I'm going to really pay attention to closer. I said 1960. I'm going to pay attention to 1950 to 1960. Key area, we got to close above that. Then I'm going to be watching for a run up to the top of the rotation zone. Let's just see what else we have here. If we do drop down, yeah, it's just, a little another not so vertical, but this one vertical up, vertical down. This one got overextended, coming back down rather quickly. So that's about all I have, watching below 1783. If we drop below it, going to be watching for this next major level down. If we do rally above that 16 or 1950, going to watch for the top of the rotation zone. That's it in a nutshell. That's what we have for you on Virgin Galactic, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.